This experiment we're doing today is called blowing up a balloon with yeast. The materials we'll be using is 2 identical pop bottles, 1 cup of warm water, 2 packets of yeast, 1 tablespoon of syrup, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 identical balloons. Our objective is to see which mixture will create a faster chemical reaction and blow up the balloon faster.
That was very good. Go.
We begin by taking we heat up a cup of water on a hot plate, and we put in half of it in here, in our separate cup. And we're going to use a funnel so we can pour the water into the cup, so each bottle has half a cup of water.
Excellent pouring skills. I put a little more in the RC. There you go. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to put the whole package of yeast, well I guess I can use this, into each container. Do you want to measure out the sugar and the syrup? And so we'll put the sugar in the orange bottle and we'll put the syrup in the blue bottle. So a tablespoon of each. Swirl this around. Swirl this around. So the sugar's going to go in this one. That one you might just be able to pour right in there. I clogged it with yeast. Okay, so now place the balloons over the top of the bottle, making sure that the balloon is kind of in the middle so it can expand. There we go. Alright, I let mine hang over for a little bit. Tweet it. Yeah, I would pause it. Right button.
The bottle on the right is the pure sugar.
Really cool. If you let it sit long enough, that one gets really big, the sugar one. Well, they caught up to each other. for our experiment was that when adding sugar to the yeast and water mixture, the chemical reaction to produce carbon dioxide will go at a quicker rate than with the sugar than the one with the syrup. And as we saw earlier, the sugar one did fill up faster, even though the balloons are even now. The carbon dioxide was produced at a quicker rate, filling up the balloon quicker in the pure sugar mixture than just in the syrup mixture. So what's actually happening is the sugar in the yeast and water mixture, the yeast is actually like eating the sugar, creating carbon dioxide, and that's what fills up the balloon throughout the bottle, and then the same thing's happening in the syrup mixture. So it's the same reaction, but the sugar actually makes it go faster, as we've seen in our experiment, than just regular syrup. So whether that's because there's other things in the syrup than just pure sugar, maybe that has something to do with it, but apparently the yeast likes pure sugar more than syrup.